Well, I finished this little project. They call it the Gyroid Fidget Desk Toy. You can get it on Thingiverse, item number 6789740. I will put a description on the bottom where you can get it, so you don't have to write this down. Um, what I would say is this. First of all, let me turn it on so you can see what it does. It's pretty nifty. I like it. And when you get the STL files, what you want to do is you want to print quite a few more of these little clips. Uh, yeah, let me bring that clip up because there's only one, and then you have to just multiply it. And then also this piece here is also just one, so make sure you print two of these pieces. This piece right here, so you have one for each side. And the other thing I would recommend is that you need to get yourself a battery holder with a little switch for two AA batteries. I got it in Amazon, and then it has a built-in switch. One thing I did is I used this putty here, which is sticky putty, uh, to secure the wires because you need to make the wire long enough if you want to replace the batteries when you move this out. And the reason I put this putty here is this battery was kept coming out, and I don't want it like that. So now it's stable. Now it doesn't fall out. So it's a nice little gizmo. Now, he recommends to print it in these colors. You feel free to do so. I printed it in three colors: gray, the white for the gears, and then this lavender or whatever color this is, pink. Uh, and But you can do whatever you feel like it. If you do it this way, then he mentions which color of these rings goes where, these gears goes where. It basically the first smallest one gear goes here, okay, and that little figurine from the Despicable Me is basically twisting itself. There's his glasses. I don't know if you can see that really well, but then the next larger ones goes over here, and then last largest ones goes over here on this side, and then you have to push it far enough to put this clip in, the one I just showed you. It slides in there. uh, these pieces, this one and the ends of the pieces on these rings that has a protruding square piece, you have to do it with support and clean it up real good because you need to slide in that little clip. Okay, this one happens to be white, and you basically slide it in like that. I don't know if it's visible. There we go, right there. Okay, and that's what holds the pieces together. Including the rings together. So anyway, here it is one more time. I like it. It's really cool. Oh, the other thing I forgot. Let me turn this off. You have to glue this. You have to glue these pieces. The arms that hold this last ring or the biggest ring. You have to glue them in there, kind of a loose. And when the glue was drying, as you can see, this one is a little bit more tilted this way than this one, but it's okay. Most people probably won't even notice because they'll pay attention to this part here. So, alrighty, have fun with it. Give me a thumbs up and have a fantastic day.